Mandala, a circle yet infinite, patterns yet beyond patterns. Across cultures and centuries, mandala has been a window to the soul, symbols of harmony, meditation, and balance. Today, we are bringing that ancient wisdom into art as I show you how I create a glowing glass painting mandala. We will begin with a plain glass. Before painting, make sure it's perfectly clean, free from dust or fingerprints. Wipe it with a soft cloth so that the colors grip well. Here, I have already made a blueprint of my mandala design in a paper with the same size of my glass to make the process much easier. In a mandala, every circle has a meaning. The center is the self, the core of a being. As the patterns expand outward, they represent growth, healing, and connection with the universe. So, when you draw these lines, think of them not just as a design but as a steps of your own journey. Start with the flower motifs, then adding layers of petals, dots, and curves. You can use a compass for neat circles, or you can also use freehand if you want a more organic feel. Every color you pick carries energy, like gold for prosperity, white for peace, and black for grounding, and red for strength. A mandala is not just seen, it's felt. Here I am using glass colors and 3D liners, metallic gold and silver, giving a striking contrast against the deep background. Apply them slowly because on glass even a single stroke glows in life. The beauty of a mandala lies in its rhythm, dots after dots, lines after lines. Just like the rhythm of life, mistakes, they become a part of the design, just like in life, imperfections and character. I have added tiny white and silver dots along the curves. This not only gives it detail but also creates a glowing, almost jewel like effect when light falls on it. While creating the mandala, look how the glass catches the light, how the patterns shine through it. It's more than art, it's meditation frozen in colors. In the end, this glass painting mandala is not just a decoration, it's a reminder that no matter how chaotic life feels, there is always a center within us that calm, balanced, and unshaken. Art is simply the path to rediscover it. Thank you for painting along with me. If this video brought your peace or inspired your creativity, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's keep creating together. Till then, bye.